Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I have for you a clean with me. This is a Sunday for me. I did a little bit of cleaning yesterday, not much. I got a serious migraine. Today I'm still kind of not fully there, but the house needs some help. Like I said, we did some vacuum cleaning here downstairs. I cleaned the toilets. We put away some small things, but the island looks like this, so it is time to clean. I'm using a mic. I'm having a bit of issues, I feel like, figuring out how exactly to use it, but this should be working. I also have a penguin band-aid because I cut myself trying to cut an avocado this morning, so not the best day, but yeah, I'm just gonna make the most out of it. And laundry is already going. Small clip of me putting the laundry on as I'm speaking right now. I put in some towels, and once they are done, I'm gonna then put them in the dryer. But now we are downstairs, and I think I'm gonna get too hot in this sweater. But we are downstairs. We cooked already today, so there's some things already put away, some are still waiting. A bit of a mix. We also came back last week from a week-long vacation, and I must say some things are still kind of just laying here after that trip, waiting to be put away. So yeah, I think my main issue right now with this house is that some things don't have a space and I just have too much stuff. But today is more about cleaning and not so much about organizing. Yeah, let's just get into it. You can put me in the background and just clean along with me, and let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna put you like this, and I'm gonna do the dishes first, I think. Yes. Good idea, and also a good test. And I might put the dishwasher on once I am done with filling it. I don't really do these clean with me's, but I like to watch them. So I'm just gonna try to do my version of it and see how it goes. I will also put some music at some point on, just because how much can you listen to me blabbing around, right? Also, just something maybe I wanna say is that if you're buying a dishwasher and you have an option to get a dishwasher with a cutlery rack, do it, because it is super, super handy. And I wouldn't want to go back. I was just checking because we live in Belgium, but we also do sometimes groceries in Holland. And in Holland, plastic bottles and cans and stuff like that have, you can bring them back and get the money back for them. That's why I always check from which shop it is. And if we can get the money back, I have like separate container for it, and if not, it just goes into the recycling. Just I don't know if it's a fun fact, maybe an interesting fact for someone. We do have a separate trash can for like organic stuff, but sometimes when it's only a little bit, I just do it in the normal trash can if I don't feel like yeah, going there. So the dishwasher is filled. I'm gonna put these two in the sink, but not gonna wash them now because I really don't want to get my sticker, my band-aid, like dirty, well, wet mainly. So I'll do it, I think, later. I'll just get the leftovers out from the pan. There are a few things that still need a wash. I'll just gonna place them in here and also a pancake pan that could use a clean, and I'm gonna focus on the island. So, avocado, not the culprit. The other one is in the fridge. Tea can be put away. Is this dry? Yes, it is. Drying mat can be put away. This needs to be washed because it's new. Let's see if the sticker is gonna come off. Easy, and it's ripping. I hate when the stickers rip. It just makes it so much more difficult. I think I'm getting it. A little bit left. As it is looking quite full, I'm gonna put on the dishwasher. Just grabbing a dishwasher tablet, and I'm gonna put it on eco mode for 4 hours. Just last check if everything's in. Yes. I feel like that wasn't smart because I just put on the dishwasher, which is gonna make a noise. Hopefully the mic is gonna be good enough. But I feel like the island for us and the table is like a catcher for all things. So trying to keep it intact. The breads can go here. Putting away some medicine that we took with us when going on a trip. I always travel with medicine, which was definitely handy because I was ill throughout the whole trip, which is not ideal, of course, but oh well. At least I had some basic medication with me, and this I should be. It's almost empty. Receipts. I keep them all to track our spending. Onion syrup. I know it sounds gross, but it's I was ill, so I made it. I'll put it here on the side. Some cleaning supplies, some new ones, which don't have a space yet, so I need to make some space under the sink. Just kind of shoved it a little bit, but it works. The receipts, I'm gonna put them all in one pile because there's more on the table. More receipts. More receipts. My new bottle. I got myself a nice Panda water bottle or just a drink bottle at the airport. I saw it when we flew into Rome, and at that point I didn't buy it, but I'm like, I think I'm gonna get it once I'm going home. If I don't buy too much stuff in Rome, basically, if I have some budget left, and I love pandas, so super cute. And mainly, hopefully, it will make me drink more water. Also, this is empty. This container is empty, so it can go. These. Okay, so I have some small medicine, but that's expired, and this one is still good. Okay, the expired one needs to go in a separate place. I don't know about where you live, but in Belgium, you can bring expired medicine into the pharmacy, and then you know that it's going to be disposed of in the correct way. And that's always what we do. We just collect some expired medicine in like a small bag, and then we just bring it in every, I don't know, a couple of months maybe, just whenever we feel like, okay, it's time to bring it in. Just a small tip, maybe, well, definitely check how you dispose of medicine wherever you live. Perfume samples, head roller. This can actually go in a small baggie. which is here, I think. Oh, more receipts. There we go. Tissues can go. Oh, more receipts. Is this one from Rome? It is. Yes, it is. I need to go through. It's a magazine I picked up at the what? At the store. This nail file goes also into a small baggie. Okay, I think I'm gonna whiz through it now. It's not that interesting, so let me do it. Some final touches, and I don't have anything to do them with. So I'm gonna Swift things. It's a wooden table, so I do not spray this with product. That's why we also use the placemats whenever we eat. I was gonna have to spray the placemats, but it does not seem like I need to do that, as they don't look dirty. We do have these two chairs at the back here, which I don't know what to do with them, to be honest. So they're just sitting there. This needs to go upstairs. It's my jean jacket. I'm gonna put it on here for the moment. I'm gonna go on upstairs in a moment because I think the laundry is almost done. Yeah, the chairs kind of stay here because there I could put one here. But this one's still kind of will stand here, and I think then it's just a bit weird. We might put them upstairs for the time being, because we usually don't need, well, more than two on a daily basis, and this is just some paper I need to go through. That's kind of it for this area. It's looking a lot better. There's a few things that need to be rehomed, and then nice to have some things in the living room. But I think it's almost time to put the laundry in the dryer, so let's do that. Okay, the timing of this, I wish I was recording. The dishwasher just opened, and at the same time the washing machine started beeping that it's ready, so I'm gonna swap it. Washing is done. Ah yeah, this is still in here. Okay, I will need to fold that.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted together. the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing.